You read a physics problem, you understand every word, and still you don't know how to start. It feels like the problem is written in plain English, but the moment you try to turn this into equations, everything freezes. That moment, right there, is the real problem. Not the physics, but not knowing how to translate words into structure. I'm the Physics Sensei, PhD in physics, black belt in karate, and 30 years teaching how to solve physics problems to college students just like you. And what I see over and over is students reading problems correctly, but never converting the story into a physical situation they can actually work with. When words stay as words, physics feels impossible. You end up hunting for formulas, guessing what applies, and hoping something sticks. That doesn't happen because you lack understanding. It happens because you were never trained to convert language into physical models. Think about driving. When someone gives you directions, they don't just say random street names, they describe the actions. Turn left, slow down, merge. Those words only help because you know how to translate them into movements of the car. In karate, for example, a coach doesn't just say move faster or hit harder. They tell you how to shift your weight, where to place your feet, how to align your body. Students don't fail because they can't hear the words. They fail because they haven't learned how to translate instructions into motion. That translation is the foundation. Physics problems follow the same pattern. Words describe motion, interaction, and change. If you don't convert them into physical actions, equations have nothing to attach to. So here's how to translate physics words into a solvable setup. First, reread the problem and describe the situation out loud in your own words, as if you were explaining it to someone who is taking physics. Second, identify what is changing or stays constant. Something is always happening in a physics problem, and naming that change gives the problem direction. Third, decide what objects are involved and how they interact. Once you know who is acting on what, the structure starts to appear naturally. Only after this should symbols and equations enter the picture. That's why strong problem solvers look confident. They aren't decoding equations, they are translating situations. When you start doing this, physics problems stop feeling like word puzzles and start feeling like systems you can control. This is exactly how we train problem solving inside the dojo. So the next time a problem feels clear but unsolvable, slow down and translate the words before reaching the math. Train the basics, build your foundation, and let consistency become your advantage. And if you need more help, the dojo is ready when you are. I'll see you there.